There are so many common mispronounced words. Probably you also mispronounce them. For example, is it colonel, colonel, or something else? Is it Oxford or something else? Is it receipt or something else? If you want to know the correct pronunciation of such kind of 8 common mispronounced words, then this video is for you. So hello everyone, welcome to Explore More and Learn. I am Dr. Hanshul. I hope you all are taking very good care of yourself. Today's video can be very important for you as it is related to 8 most common mispronounced words. Alright, so today's topic, as you know it well, it is most common mispronounced words. So let's start this video quickly. So the first word is this. How do you pronounce it? Colonel or colonel? But both are incorrect. The correct pronunciation of this word is colonel. Colonel. So the letter R is silent here and the stress is given on the first syllable. That means you pronounce it by emphasizing this sound. Colonel. Colonel. Okay? The next word is this. How do you pronounce it? Colleague. That's again incorrect pronunciation. The correct pronunciation is colleague. Colleague. And again the stress is given on the first syllable. Colleague. The next word is this. How do you pronounce it? Development. It's again incorrect pronunciation. The correct pronunciation of this word is development. Development. Okay. So you see, it is not development. It is development. Okay. So how will you pronounce it all together? Development. Development. And the stress is given on the second syllable. Here on the sound V. Okay. So development. The next word is this. Most of the people pronounce it like divorce, but that's an incorrect pronunciation. The correct pronunciation of this word is divorce. 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 Okay, not divorce. The next word is this. Most of the people pronounce it like elite, but it's not elite, it's elite. Elite. Elite, not elite. Okay. The next word is this. How do you pronounce it? Entrepreneur? No. Again, it's incorrect pronunciation. The correct pronunciation of this word is entrepreneur. 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 Okay? It's not an. It is on. Tr. Pr. No. Letter R is silent here. Okay? So, entrepreneur. Entrepreneur, not entrepreneur. Entrepreneur, no. The correct pronunciation is, you can repeat after me, entrepreneur. Very good. Now the next word is this. How do you pronounce it? Oxford? That's incorrect pronunciation. The correct pronunciation is Oxford. 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 Got it? The next word is this. How do you pronounce it? Receipt? Receipt? Both are incorrect. The correct pronunciation is receipt. Receipt. It's not receipt or receipt. Letter P is silent here, remember. So it is receipt. I hope you have got it. I hope you have learned to pronounce these words correctly. Don't forget to practice. If you want to explore more and learn English, then this channel is for you. Don't forget to subscribe it if you have not subscribed it yet. And if you have liked this video, then press like and press the bell icon so that you may get notification for the next video. Very soon, I'll bring another video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.